right now. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only something come over. Or if we around to help them. Nobody can swim. If you cannot swim, you cannot cross it. Nobody can cross it. If we around to hit them over. Fisherman can cross it, and a fisherwoman cross it. Cannot swim? Trust me.
You're going to Santa Mas.
One. Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only something come over. Or if we around to help them.
Not all the vehicles
can cross it.
This vehicle
cannot cross it. We lock away in the wilderness. Nobody cross it.
Cross.
Yesterday, the bus was coming from town. A bus full of people. Just the mercy of God. Why the bus don't go over? The bus can't swim.
Bus can swim.
Believe it or not, the bus can't swim. Yesterday.